Hello everyone. This is part 2 of our AWS Snapshot series. So in the last video, we have learned about snapshots, what are snapshots, why do we need snapshot, what is the role of snapshots, and then how to create a snapshot. And today we'll see how to create back an EBS volume from a snapshot. This is going to help us a lot in our further videos. So let's get started. We can again create an EBS volume. It is quite simple. So for example, if I select this first snapshot, and then if I go to action, then you can see we can create a volume from this snapshot. And then this volume we can attach to our EC2 instance. We can't directly attach these snapshots to our EC2 instance. We will have to convert them into volume, and then only we can attach them to any EC2 instance. So for example, what I can do now is, let me go to my volumes part, and let's say after this, my volume got deleted for any particular reason. So I will delete this volume, but let's say it got deleted due to some reason, but we have done backup, so we will not lose any data. So here I would be doing detach volume, means I wanted to detach this particular volume from my EC2 instance. It is very similar how we remove a pen drive from our system. So I can click on detach, but we are using this volume currently, so I will have to do post detach volume. And then here, just to confirm, I will be writing detach, and then I will do the post detach. After this, you will see this volume will got detached. So let me refresh it. So after some time, you will see this volume will got detached from our EC2 instance. Even if you come back to our EC2 instance, and here if you write a command ftx-l, so you will see now it just have one device which is of 8 GB. So here it might take some time to update, but it have been removed. We can see from our EC2 console. So now you will see it is showing it is available, means we can attach this EBS volume to any other EC2 instance or the same instance. But let's say for now I am deleting this. So I can click here, I can go to action, and then I can delete this volume. But don't worry, we have already done the backup, so we will not lose our file which we have created in this volume. So for that, we can go back to our snapshots, and then for example, I am creating a volume from my first snapshot. So I can select this, I can go to actions, I can create volume from the snapshot. After this, I will have to select in which availability zone I have to create this volume. We have already discussed on that part, like our volume and our EC2 instance should be in the same availability zone. Currently, I am in Mumbai region, and in Mumbai region, we have 3 availability zones. So here I can select 1A, 1B, and 1C. But our EC2 instance is running in 1A, so I am selecting here 1A itself. And then I can create a volume. So now I am creating a volume from my backup or from my snapshot. So after doing this, if I go back to my volumes, so here you will see one more volume would have been created, and this is in available state. So I can directly select this, and then I can click on action, and then I can attach this volume to my EC2 instance. So I can select my EC2 instance, and that's it. It's have been attached to my EC2 instance. I can come here, and then let me clear my screen. And if I write ftx-l, then you will see now it is showing 1 GB of disk, and it is also detecting the partition which we have created. So we don't have to create our partition again. We don't have to do the formatting again. We can directly mount this to any folder. And even if you will check, we have mounted this partition earlier at this new HD directory. But now if you will do ls, you can't see anything here, because whatever I was doing here, it was internally at that time storing the things in that hard disk. But now we have deleted this. We have created a new hard disk from the snapshot. That's a different thing. But we haven't mounted this hard disk yet to any directory. So here you will not see anything. But let's say if I am mounting this back to the same directory, and then let's see what will happen. So what I can do here is I can use the mount command, and then here I can use the xpdf one, and then I can write here new HD. And now you will see after mounting, if I do ls, then it is showing us v1.txt file. Why only v1.txt file? Why not v2.txt file? Because I have created this EBS volume from this snapshot, and this snapshot we have taken when our hard disk just had this v1.txt file. Even if I want to read this, so we can do this, and that's how it works. So snapshot is very useful if you have to do the backup. but it is also useful if you wanted to transfer your EBS volume from one region to another region, from one availability zone to another availability zone. We will see about this in our next video. So that's all for this video. Thank you.